Sam and Nick from Real Techniques, and today we're going to introduce you to some new brushes. I am going to be using the brand new Instapop Eye Brush Duo.
And I'm going to be using the Instapop Face Brush and the Instapop Blush Brush. I nearly forgot my words then, Blush Brush.
In the Instapop Eye Brush Duo there are two brushes, the Instapop Shade Brush and the Instapop Crease Brush. And what's different about Instapop is that they are angled. So they're angled on the side in profile.
And you can see even clearer on mine the angle that they're cut by. Okay, let's put some makeup on our faces. I'm going to be using the foundation one first.
I'm going to start with the Instapop Crease Brush, and I'm taking a purple shadow. I'm just going to push that all over the eyelid. Now, because of the cut of these brushes, it makes them really perfect when you want to get really dense coverage. So they're brilliant for loose shadows or bright shadows.
And they just fit perfectly into your hand when you're applying the makeup. It's a very comfortable position.
Now I'm just taking my Instapop Shade Brush and I'm just blending using the angle that the brush is cut at to make sure that everything's really feathered and blended nicely.
Now I'm loving the size of this brush purely because at the moment I'm really enjoying putting foundation on with a slightly bigger brush. It gives me a lighter, more dewy payoff from the product. But these brushes can also be used with creams, powders and liquids, the same as all of our other core line brushes. I'm also going to take my same brush and use it for powder, just to soften the skin down before I put a touch of blusher on.
Back onto my crease brush. This time I'm going to use a loose pigment, and using the flat part of the brush I'm going to push this on exactly where I want it.
Nice. And I'm going to take my Instapop cheek brush and add a little bit of a pop of colour, just the top of the cheeks. It picks up product really, really well, so make sure you blend this in, especially if you're going for a bright colour like I am.
Now, because of the angle these brushes are cut at, they minimise fallout. So you're going to minimise the amount of eyeshadow and product you end up with underneath your eye.
So I'm just using this brush in an almost draping motion. So it's giving me, as I've not got much other makeup on, it's giving me a really lovely colour to the top of the cheek. You can obviously wear it softer if you wish to.
Now, if you want to intensify any colour through the socket, you can just turn the brush over and use the pointed part of the brush just to create a shape through the socket there. And that's going to give you the option to create like a cut crease.
And there you have it. That's just a really quick way of how we would use the Instapop collection.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Take
care.
Bye.
Bye.